Welcome to Salem Witch Trials Daily. I'm Josh Hutchinson.
This is Sarah Jack. On Tuesday, July 26, 1692, the governor and his council ordered the treasurer of Massachusetts to pay court clerk Stephen Sewell £40 to cover the necessary charges of the court of Oyer and Terminer.
The governor and council also officially appointed Anthony Checkley to serve as their majesty's attorney on the court of Oyer and Terminer. He replaced Thomas Newton, who had accepted the position of Secretary of New Hampshire.
In Salem, Stephen Sewell wrote a summons for James Greenslit to testify against George Burroughs. Deputy Sheriff George Herrick served the summons, which ordered Greenslit to appear at the court of Oyer and Terminer's session on Tuesday, August 2nd, or else he would forfeit £100.
In Andover today, Mary Bradbury's Specter allegedly tormented Timothy Swan. Mary Walcott and Ann Putnam Jr. claimed to witness the attack.
In an August 4th deposition, Mary Daniel of Rowley said that tonight on the 26th, she was attacked by the specters of Margaret Scott and Goodwife Jackson. Mary had been ill again, and she was feeling a pricking sensation in the soles of her feet when she saw the apparition shape of Margaret Scott, who proceeded to pull Mary's chair backwards, bringing her hard to the ground.
The specter then tormented and pinched Mary very much and then went out the door. The next morning, Mary could not speak and found a great load and heaviness upon her tongue. Mary experienced many fits after this incident. Sometimes she saw a Goodwife Jackson or Margaret Scott tormenting her, and on the next Sunday she saw the shapes of 4 or 5 women.